Select the body option in the model structure menu, click the file option in the menu bar, and then click the export sub-option to export the STL file to disk. Open the recently exported STL model in FreeCAD. Launch the slicing software now. Import an STL model into slicing software. Perform a slicing operation. We can see that the slicing software returns a series of reference data after performing the slicing operation. The model has a small contact area with the heat bed, so we set the brim parameter to ensure the model's stability during the 3D printing process. Execute the slicing operation again. We can now export G-code to the local disk. Thanks for watching.